Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy 2 here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Father's Day gift because today is Father's Day and you probably want your father or dad to feel really grateful. Or no, you should feel really grateful. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Father's Day gift like without anything, just something electronic. So you're going to go to Google's webpage and then you're going to press this Google icon. So then it'll bring you to this little thing. So here it says you can get crafting. So guys, then what we're going to do is, you see we have a heart, right? We can make a heart like or we have some what are they called again? Seahorses. So like you can just like move it around and stuff. You can make like heart, there's bumblebees. So then after you're done, this is really nothing, but guys, you really shouldn't do this. Just press send and then you're going to copy this link, paste it to to message your dad, and then just send it to them. And then what they'll get is they'll press it, and they'll get the Happy Father's Day thing. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications, guys. We are so close to 20 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot if you could subscribe and stay along with me in my YouTube journey. Well, see you.